Welcome to Tech Wizard. Today we are going to discuss about the Java primitive data types. Okay, so Java divides the data types in two parts. One is called primitive data types and second one is called non-primitive. So today we are going to discuss about the primitive data types. Let's start. First one is byte and size is 8-bit. Range is from -128 to 127. Where it is used, so is mostly used, this data type is mostly used with the data string. Second one is short, occupies 16-bit. Range is from -32768 to +32767. This type of data type mostly used to save the memory. Okay, when you do not require large number to store, you can use short instead of integer. Okay, because short requires 16-bit, whereas the next one, that is integer, it required 32 bits. Okay, so if you know that your number is the smaller one which comes in this range, then you can use the short instead of integer and you can save the memory. Integer, the range of integer is starting from -214 748 3648 to it goes 214 748 3647. Okay, and this is the most commonly used data type. Okay, and it most of the times used for the initialization as well as it used for the controlling the loops. Next one is long, which occupies 64 bits. Range, it start from -922 337 20 36 84 77 5808 and it goes to +922 720 36 84 77 5807. Okay, this data type mainly useful when integer type is not large enough to hold the values which you are assigning. Okay, so if integer type is large enough, you can use that particular type. Otherwise you can go to the long. Next one is the float, 5 number float. This occupies 32-bit and range is from 1.4e -045 to 3.4e plus 038. This is mostly used when you require fractional part. Next one is double, size is 64-bit and range start from 4.9e -324 to 1.8e plus 308. This is mostly used when you need the accuracy over iterative calculation. Okay, you want a precise result. Okay, at that time double will be used. 7 is the character, occupy 16 bit, range is 0 to 65535. Okay, and it used to represent ASCII and Unicode character. Okay, it is not like the C where it occupy 8 bit. In C, character data type is only used to represent the ASCII character. Over here it used to represent ASCII as well as Unicode character. So it occupies 16 bit. And the last one is Boolean. Boolean size is not specified precisely, okay, but their range is true and false. Okay, so this is most of the time used to set the flags, or it can be used as a result of some relational condition. Okay, either true or false. For example, if A is greater than B, or B, true or false. Okay, so for this type of things this will be used. Okay, so basically these are the data types, primitive data types, which is available with the Java. Other than that, there are non-primitive data types are also there, okay, which we will discuss later on. I just give the example of the data type. For example, array, for example, class, interface. These are some of the example of non-primitive data type. So that we will cover in our upcoming video. Okay, so based on this primitive data type, you can divide it like this one. You can see over here. Basically, there are two types of data type: primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Now, this primitive data type is mainly divided in 4 parts. First one is Boolean, second one is character, third one is integer, and fourth one is floating. Now, inside the Boolean, there is only one data type, that is Boolean. Under the character, there is a character data type. Under the integer, there are 4 data type: byte, short, integer, and long. So as per the number you want to represent, as per that you can use one of the data type. And again the same thing for the floating point. Okay, either you can use float if your number is smaller one, and if the number is larger one, you can use the double. On the other side, non-primitive, as I given some of the example: string, array, class, interface. These are the non-primitive data types. Okay, so that we will discuss in our upcoming session. So I hope you guys like this video, and you now know that which data type you need to use when you are going to declare some variables. Okay, so based on your requirement, you need to wisely select your data type. Okay, so it will save the memory. Okay, so hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe the channel and also share with your friends, so okay, they can be also benefited of the same. Okay, and don't forget to press the bell icon, so whenever the video will be uploaded, you will get the notification. Okay, and stay tuned in our Java beginner series. Thank you.